Again, thank you so much for keeping track and all the things that I'm discussing with you and really crushing it. Now remember, the very big plate we talked about, number 2, that was spinning was the investors. Because investors are the one, they're going to wire the money into the legal structure, the LLC that your syndication attorney is going to put together, or your real estate attorney, and they will be putting together the syndication package offering memorandum, which is called the private placement memorandum, PPM, operating agreement, and the subscription agreement. As you recall, I mentioned those things. And after they have filled out, the investors, then you give them the wiring instructions to wire the money into your LLC account. You need to have that money ready about maybe 30 days before closing, so that the lender is going to ask you, where is the equity, where is all the rest of the money to close the deal. So that's very important. Also, the other thing you want to find out is how much it's going to cost for insurance, real insurance, as you are getting into it. And other things which are very, very important are the legal paperwork that you are getting them through DocuSign done. I enjoy that process very much. Or you could send them the files and then they can fill it out and then scan them back to you, whichever way is easier for you. But all these documents have to be tracked, kept in the Dropbox in separate folders for each investor. And then if they are working with their self-directed IRAs, you will also be involved in filling out some paperwork so that you are able to give your whole offering to the custodian, we call it, the Penscos or the IRAs or equity trust and things like that. They will also vet out, they will like to look through what you have to offer. They are like the watchdog for the investor, which is really great. I like that. They are the watchdog to make sure it's not a Ponzi scheme or things like that. So all those things are really put together in syndication world to make everybody really rely on your experience to enjoy the profits that you are making to share with the investors, because they're entrusting you with their money to take care of the money even better than you can take care of your own money. So that's the right thing, has really helped me and my wife to really grow in this business, and we have done over $250,000 purchases, and we'll be doing a lot more with the fund.